All right. Hey, welcome. Walking you guys through a quick webinar. The team asked me to sit down and talk a little bit about, some of the things that we're doing. But one of the big solutions we're working on right now with clients is really managing their facilities through on-demand site audits. And we want to use a kind of a case study or use case example of post-snow damage. It's one that we're doing a lot of right now. We wanted to provide some content and some insights on why this is important. How using digital site assessments and one through the iViewIt model helps save money, costs. It looks after your assets, and again, just is a great resource that's new and disruptive. And want to talk just really through that and why we think it's important for folks to pay attention to this. So just a quick introduction of myself, Mike Popadak, co-founder, CEO of iViewIt, really from the facilities management space. First, though, cut my teeth in consumer packaged goods, PepsiCo, Frito-Lay, but then spent a lot of time in exterior facilities maintenance, landscape, and snow removal. So this one's one that myself and our team has lived, and we wanted to use this use case to really show and highlight how clients are taking advantage of the iViewIt on-demand network. So what we're going to cover, we're going to talk through just a quick introduction of, again, specifically post-snow audits, why they're important, what we're doing, and how we can help. Defining, crowdsourcing, why that helps speed up information and drive down costs and provides that third party audit that is nice, that it's not your own team, it's not your contractors, but it's an independent third party going out there to verify. I'll walk you through a little bit of our digital site assessment, what you get through the process, and then just a quick summary and any next steps if anybody has any questions. So let's see here. So quick introduction. So why we wanted to talk about post snow was really because we've lived it. You go into a winter like we just had. Hopefully you did a pre-snow documentation, but who'd have thought we'd had some record-breaking snow this season we haven't seen in a long time. So all that snow now has since melted, and then there's damages left behind. And what are you going to do? What's the plan to have your properties covered? And we know that it's if you're managing it through a contractor, that usually in the scope of work, it should define that they have 30 or 60 days since the end of the snow season to get those things corrected. But even in the best cases, when they're trying to do all of the repairs, it's hard to get everything. It's hard to correct everything and document it. So what we're offering and what we're talking about is really that pre-snow documentation plan across all of your portfolio to really know and have a photo book logged of what damage exists. So imagine being able to go see all of your properties in a day or two, have really the documented damage, whether it's paving, whether it's the signage was clipped, ATMs were hit, curbs removed, any of those things, landscape was damaged, and knowing exactly what it looks like and being able to say, hey, is this fixed or not? And then having that documented for the next snow season. So if it wasn't damaged before and it ends up that way next snow season, you have that. And what we find is so many customers just don't have their assets, their properties documented well going in and out of snow season. So that's what we're going to talk about. And again, it's very affordable. The value and the information that you're going to get from us is tremendous, and we can do it very quickly. And our team on the back end can also help escalate those things. So there's a lot of value adds here. So again, what is the importance of post-snow data? So three key things that we like to talk about is it eliminates unnecessary expenses, right? So if you're a retailer and you manage a property, or you're a contractor who's managing a property for the retailer or property management group, you're able to gather and document and say, hey, this was damaged or it wasn't damaged, and you got photo evidence time stamped of those locations. So the idea here is, hey, if it was damaged, you can say, hey, this needs to be fixed. And if you're going into a contract and you're managing it, it's like, that's how it was when I got here, right? So the first step in coming out of this winter, we're really encouraging folks, get on your sites, document it, have it all laid out, and it's going to help eliminate unnecessary expense. Because come 30 or 60 days from now, and it's not documented, Well, if you own that property and it's not been documented, it's hard and goes this finger pointing back and forth. And maybe you change providers a year or two later, and now you're left to pay for that damage. And we'll talk a little bit later of how quickly that can add up. And for a very minimal cost, you can avoid that. It's comprehensive. So I'll show you some of these site audits that we have and we complete, but you're going to get pinpoint accuracy of where those photos were taken across your whole portfolio that's exportable, that you can look at, that you can jump into very quickly. So if somebody asks about one of your properties, you're going to have really comprehensive photo and survey data of those locations. And then, what we preach is it really helps you take back control. We live in this world where we don't get out as much, right? With COVID and everything, you're not on site as much. You rely on your vendors, but this is you being able to push the button and send and get the information, direct exactly what you want captured, and really be able to understand. And if you need to follow up, we're there also to be able to just quickly send out viewers to follow up. Hey, has this been done or not? So it really gives you back control of your properties, especially if you're managing them remotely and far away. So I talked about this a little bit. So, the cost to verify versus the cost to fix. So if on average a view with us to send our folks out is $25, for everything that you can uncover and take advantage of proactively instead of reactive, an average slip and fall, $30,000. Landscape, because, folks backed into the shrubs or it's been killed from overuse of salt, $3,000. Asphalt repairs, all those drains that get clipped and dug up during the snow season. And not even to mention all the unexpected damages, right? Fences that get pushed, ATMs that get clipped, lights that get backed into, knocked over, parking stops that get displaced and removed. And those are some of the easy ones. But when you start to think of, if you own and manage 500 properties, do you know what is wrong with every single one of them? And that's what we're offering for a very small fee. And it really then becomes a place of, hey, I'm taking this on the offensive and not the defensive of when things come in later on in the year. So really, the cost, if you don't know, the cost of it can get out of control very quickly. And if you don't protect yourself, right, that's something that you could end up paying for. So we feel post-snow audits are critical this winter above all else, right? There's a lot of snow on the ground. What does it look like? Do you know, right? So why does crowdsourcing work? And we get this question a lot from folks and say, well, wait, are you guys just another auditing platform? Because I have one of those. My people use it all the time, or I have one for my contractors, or my contractors have an auditing platform. So that's not what we are. So yes, we are an auditing platform, but we're people. We are arms and legs that you can deploy on demand that has an auditing platform that supports it. So the three key factors of why crowdsourcing is critical, and especially for this use case. So it allows you that third-party remote monitoring, right? At a moment's notice. I mean, we'll complete views sometimes within minutes of being deployed. So it's third-party, it's unbiased. It's someone who's going out there just to report the weather. Hey, I'm here just to document post-snow damage. I'm looking at curbs. They're looking at the asphalt, the landscape, and that's what they're documenting. And it takes it out of, well, the contractor may have only taken pictures of this, or my team's only taken pictures of that. It's independent. It's very laser focused. And I'll give you an example is we can gather it all at once. And what we do is, I'll give you an example in Houston. We don't want to drop 100 views in Houston for site audits and have 2 people pick those up over the course of 5 or 6 days. We want to drop those 100 views in and have 25 to 50 people picking it up and completing them within minutes. And then on the back end, our team helps verify that all of the photos from a quality control point are what you want. And it really is, it speeds up that gathering of information all at once across your portfolio, the way we deployed and use crowdsourcing. So instead of waiting weeks or months to get information on your entire property, we can do it in hours and in days. So it's very, very fast and gives you a comprehensive look at your portfolio. And it's a disruptor. It drives the cost down. And like I mentioned, if an average view is $25, you can stop to think, like, having a contractor go back out, time, what they could be doing if it's your own people, right? They're valuable resources. So the cost quickly makes a lot of sense to have crowdsourcing be the QC. And then as we bring all that data in, now we decide and help you decide, hey, where do contractors need to go back to fix things? Where do your team need to be involved because there's a safety hazard? So just imagine very quickly in a day or two getting a total insights on your entire property. And that's the power of crowdsourcing. So I mentioned the speed, but I just want to talk about it again. Imagine being able to see 100% of your facilities and documenting them in less than 24 hours. Literally, if you gave us 1,000 sites today, most of them would be done in a few hours. And then, depending on the location, but there's really nowhere we can't go of having that visibility. And then again, being able to pick and choose and say, hey, here's where I have problems. Now we can take informed action. And it's about 80% savings when we put this up against traditional sending guys in trucks and moving folks around and the time that it takes and what those assets are worth and what else they could be doing. So I mentioned that before, but it's very fast. It's very affordable. So it starts to lead you to why wouldn't we try this type of platform to document our properties? So here's just another kind of breakdown of what we've seen, and we're offering to look at all those different trades. But if you look at 3 trades, whether it's paving, lighting, landscape, and you're sending people out each time and it's costing an average of $500, whether it's internal or it's external, if there's trip charges, et cetera, it quickly balloons up where we can go for the same price. It varies based on the scope of work, but very minimal investment and very disruptive in the price. And we'll capture all those trades rather than sending a bunch of different contractors to kind of capture those different categories that I was mentioning. So, an easy way that clients, typically talk about us and here's a direct quote from a director of facilities is, I view it as like the Uber of photos. They pay for a fraction of the cost and get better results than they do from the technician in the field. And the big takeaway, what we've seen from our past, a landscape vendor, a snow vendor, right? And we'll use snow for this use case. They want to plow the snow, move on to the next. Getting them to stop and take photos is not their main focus, but it is ours. And our viewers want to do a very good job. We give them very clear direction. So they're out there with one purpose, documenting, taking photos, answering survey questions. And what we've seen is just the quality that comes through is so good. And our clients really are amazed at the speed but also the quality. And I mentioned the QC piece on the back end, where we have folks taking a look at these photos, helping escalate so exactly, where the problems are on your sites. So let's talk a little bit more about that digital site assessment. And here you can see, an example of the smartphone and then the iView It portal. And what you'll notice are those little dots, right, all around the property. So you're going to get very detailed pinpoint site assessments with escalations. And you'll know the whole property was walked, where your problems exist, all in one library photo book of your properties. So here's how it works. So if we're working with folks on these post-snow programs, we say, hey, give us a list of your properties. We'll use 500 as a use case example. We load that into our system. We schedule it when you all want it, and we deploy. And it goes out. So those 500 locations are sent out to our viewer network across the U.S. Nearby viewers are able to claim them. One viewer can claim one job, so you don't have a mad rush of people going to the properties. It's one viewer can claim it. We do have a preferred viewer network that gets a head start at accessing views. So they do the best work. They do it the fastest. They do it the most consistent. So they get that head start. And then from there, they complete the views. They walk the properties. And again, if it's 500 properties, we may have 350 people complete those site audits that quickly. Some viewers pick up a few extra, and then it comes over to our QC team to check, escalate. If there's a problem, if something's incorrect, we'll send it back to our viewer network. So you won't see that they missed a location or get blurry photos or anything like that. But if it's a good view and it's completed, we pass that along quickly to the client. And then instantly they have a portfolio of data with escalations of what is there documented that's exportable in a PDF that shows exactly the photo locations that can be shared with with retailers, contractors, whoever needs, those constituents who manage that property, whoever needs that information that needs to take action. And that is literally any site, anytime, anywhere in the U.S. We can deploy and have those site audits completed. So I'm just mentioned this, right? So it doesn't matter if it's just, big cities or suburbs, small town, remote areas. We're on properties trusted on properties by the largest brands in the space, whether it's retail, whether it's the contractors, property management firms. So there is nowhere in the country we haven't been and can't go because of our platform and the crowdsourced network. So, here's a great example. Imagine having 200,000 independent contractors, and these are some larger metro areas. Each one of those white dots is a viewer. So again, imagine putting out hundreds or thousands of properties across New York City. Well, you're going to get access to all of those folks to be able to go hop on the properties real quick, document it, and get it back to you. And what we've built with this network are very they could be everyday folks, but we arm them with the information that go into these surveys. So this post snow will be a very detailed survey that walks them through while they're on site. It's very simple. They can flip around and show an LOA to a store why they're there. Oftentimes the store says, "Oh, great! I actually have a problem over here. Let me show you." And then sometimes we don't even, we don't have to interact with the stores either because we know they're busy and they're trying to service the customer. So just to give you a kind of an idea of the scale that we have, this is a good photo representation and helps better understand how do we do what we do so fast. So kind of getting towards the end here, we feel no facility manager should go without this tool, period, in some way, shape, or form, whether it's one site or it's a program like our post-snow audits, to be able to very quickly, very easily start to gather information on your properties and take back control, and remove what we call a blind spot that's out there. I know you have your own people. I know you leverage contractors, but this is that trust but verify. And we feel very strongly that if you want to learn more about this post-snow program, you'll regret, in my opinion, not documenting these sites after the winter that we just had. Simple damages out there need to get repaired, or else you're going to be stuck with that bill one way or the other, whether it's who manages the property saying, "Hey, Mr. Contractor, you should have done this," and you can't prove that it was before or after the snow season, or if you're a retailer saying, "Hey, Mr. Contractor, hey, you didn't do this. I know you made some repairs, but these are still outstanding." So it provides clarity. It gets back to just everybody being on the same page, and that's okay. As long as what we know is out there and we can work to correct it. What we found is retailers and contractors alike, it adds collaboration. It removes the blind spot. Things get done faster. Properties are in better shape, and everybody is enjoying this process a whole lot more. So, what do you do next? So hopefully you got through, I think I'm around 18, 20 minutes of this, but hopefully you listened, you got a better idea of what iView is, what we do, how we do it. Hopefully this use case of the post-snow audit helps you. It's not all that we do. I mean, we do all things, audits, interior, exterior. It doesn't matter. We're on, 700 retail locations for this, 1,500 for that, 5,000, 10,000 for this. If you're going through a project change, it doesn't matter. But any time or any way in shape or form you could think of, how do I tap into an on-demand network? This is the solution for you. We tried to get across in this post-snow audit the value of crowdsourcing your site audits. And this is one use case that we feel very strongly about that folks are already taking advantage of, but wanted to educate, that it might be simpler than you thought in the past. So reach out to us. We can do a free demo, at iViewit.com. You can request a demo there. Email us directly at view request, call us. But we've got, our sales team, operations team are working with new clients every day or existing clients and putting in place this post-snow audit and plan. So I appreciate the opportunity to talk through this a little bit with you guys. If you have any questions, please DM me on LinkedIn, email me at mike.popadak, Popadak, at iViewit.com. And hopefully, we leave this snow season behind us, but you got a real good plan to document that so you're not paying for damages a year or 2 years from now that should have been taken care of after the snow season. So thanks. Have a great day. And talk to you all soon.